Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying alone. Just wanna chill with you. Oh no.
I can guarantee you if you mind cash, you got every bag you can imagine. Big house, I can really be bragging. 100,000 in my mouth, like what's that? And not the big cheek, see that's embarrassing. You ain't me, you can keep the comparison. My bitch, probably one of the baddest. Good girl, turning into a status. Six best, got her problem in traffic. Came through and matching G-Wagon, low key. I been keeping it classy, could be really out here doing them nasty. Niggas couldn't even see me in last year. Just started and them niggas in basket. I ain't even tried to when I passed me. Giving looks, I contribute to fashion. Drop a song, I be giving them cash. Stand alone, I can ready to rap. Brand new car is noisy. Come through when it's going. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys can touch me. Matter of fact, none of you guys can touch me. Post my drip on daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. I put it dope in the back of the car and I tell her to go. She hit when she lands, she bang the band, she back on the road. She know how I get when I get in that mode. Ain't fucking with bitches, ain't buying no clothes. Only do shows and maybe some songs. Make sure the other shit come and get sold. We fuck with this coolers cause we play with phones. We play with our money and not what I know. I used to go to the west to get lost. I just came back from the west with a trophy. I'm on some motion. She said she missed it and sending emojis. No time to kick it on my waist in motion. Can't say I miss you, I don't got emotions. I'm on that back when I slip on the floor shit. I'm on that me and the broken control shit. I'm on that back when I stood at the no shit. Ain't going broke, I'm just back on my old shit. I'm taking drugs, I don't know how to cope it. I know one thing, I'm never gonna be hopeless. If you tell them what was said, you were rolling. Start a new Corvette like it's stolen. Yeah. Brand new car is noisy. Come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys can touch me. Matter of fact, none of you guys can touch me. Post my drip on daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Brand new car is noisy. Come through when it's going. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys can touch me.
Hey friends, it's Evilly Shay, IVELISSE, and I'm back with another freaking video. My hair looks so big today. I don't know if it's because my ponytail is like mad flat because I need to wash my hair, but anyways. Right now, it is about 10:13 if y'all can see. This is gonna be like technically episode 2 of my like, let's prepare for the baby, get my room together, whatever. So right now, I just got to Five Below. And we're about to go inside and we're about to go find some ottomans, go find some room stuff. I doubt they're gonna have a lot of like room like stickers and like, you know, stuff for babies, but we're gonna go into basically just find the ottomans. And then there's a Michael's right next door, like literally right next door. So I'm gonna go into Michael's to try to find some like room stickers or whatever it is that we could find in Michael's and Five Below. But yeah, I just wanted to come to y'all, talk to y'all, give y'all a little intro. I haven't done anything to my room since y'all last seen. So after this, we're going to go home and start working on some stuff. I really wanted to go to the beach today, but like nobody wanted to come with me and it's already 9 o'clock. I mean, it's already 10 o'clock. Usually, I like to go to stuff early. Like if I was going to the beach, I would have wanted to leave by like 8, get there at like 9, stay there a little while. But everybody just like, they don't want to go. So like I said, we're gonna do this and yeah, that's it. up spending money and I didn't even find what I was looking for. So we're gonna go to another store. But real quick, I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. I'm out of breath, like. Alright, so I got a few, like, as y'all seen, like graphic t-shirts. I needed some bigger ones. A lot of my shirts that I have now don't fit me, so I had to get like some bigger sizes, some large, extra larges. I also got a little book bag. I don't know why, but like, I don't know. I thought it was cute. It had the little clip right here. You could like tighten it, and it got little water bottle things. So I think it's cute for like if I'm going to the park or whatever. I also got like this little fitness ball because I heard it's good with like labor, and I don't know, in all like the birthing labor videos you always see a yoga ball. So I was like, let me get one and then look up what to do with it, how to use it, whatever. But right now I'm gonna turn on my car. I'm hot, like really hot, but I'm about to go to another Five Below, see if they have what I'm looking for. If not, I don't know.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair with any outfit, that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
Yeah, so I'm finally home so I can show y'all everything that I got from Dollar Tree. And then I also went to another Five Below that I don't think I showed y'all what I got, so I'm gonna just show y'all right now. So at Dollar Tree, I just got all the stuff that you need to paint, or most of the stuff we needed to paint. So that's like this little roller, some brushes, some more brushes, this little paint set where it comes with like a mini roller, which is like good for like the edges and stuff. I got some tape, a few tarps, and like the little paint tray, whatever. So that's like all the stuff I got as far as like paint stuff. And like I said, I got all this stuff from Dollar Tree. Now as far as like the room stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, I got these like little stickers that I was like looking for. So it just says twinkle twinkle little star, and then it has like a bunch of pictures where you could put up too. I told you I want to do my room like twinkle twinkle little stars, dream big little one, like, you know, just like sleepy time vibes, because that's really what we're gonna be doing in the room, just like sleeping. Anything else is gonna be downstairs, so it's gonna be like a whole like baby room downstairs. So up here is just for sleeping, downstairs is gonna be for playing, whatever. I bought these storage bins, and y'all, so I kept saying ottomans, but I had to Google what an ottoman really was. I know I kept saying it, but an ottoman has the top, so it's basically like this but with the top, and then anything that doesn't is just a storage bin. So I kept saying ottomans, and oh, I need to find these ottomans and whatever, but that's really the one with the tops on them. So yeah, so these are what they look like. They're just like these storage bins where I'm gonna be putting in like the little shelves where my TV was. If y'all watch my last video, y'all know what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna show y'all later. But I just want to finish showing y'all everything I got. So I ended up getting 6 of these because there's 6 little like slots that I could put them in. And then I also got these little like containers. It came with 3. This one came with 2. This one came with 3. I bought them all different sizes so I could put them inside the storage bins. So basically, if I put like bottles and pacifiers in one storage bin, I could put all the pacifiers in here, all the bottles, just like have them laying around so like stuff don't really mix up. This is just to be able to put more than one item in a storage bin without them like mixing up. Like if I do socks and mittens, I could put the mittens in here and then put the socks just like thrown in the drawer. So like I said, this is just for like more organization and just to make everything look better, everything more organized. So that's everything that I got from Dollar Tree. So now this is Five Below. This is what I found in the last Five Below. It's just like these little like, they're just like these sandals. I also got another t-shirt. I told y'all I'm not fitting into all my other t-shirts, so I just bought these just to throw on. Everything is really just to throw on because I really don't be going anywhere. It's just like for the house, or if I go real quick to step outside or wherever, just throw them on and that's it. And I also bought this like black beach chair, folding chair, or whatever. I just found it and I thought it was like perfect because it was black and I needed one. So I was like, let me just get this. Just a bunch of random stuff that I didn't even need. But that's about it. I think I'm gonna end up right now doing like the drawers, like organizing them, putting stuff in them so I could take stuff out this corner. I'm gonna show you out the corner. But like I said, like if you watch my first video, you know what I'm talking about when I refer to as this corner, or like the stand where my TV is, or the stuff in my closet. So make sure y'all watch that video so y'all could be like all caught up. But yeah, I might do that and then probably go through my school stuff, like my school supply stuff. I know I'm not gonna need that anymore, so I'm just gonna be throwing out a whole bunch of things, donating a whole bunch of things. So I think the rest of this video is mainly gonna be like camera flipped. Y'all not gonna see me anymore. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm probably gonna come back to do like a closing message at the end. So
diamonds on the chain, ain't fooling me. You skipping school on the train, they control see my main probably turn to a every time I rock it. I pay the judge, get a boy, so I can pop it. He was in the hood, selling fashion, choppers out of around the trap.
So let me show y'all what I did real quick. So basically, I put these in the drawers and I put certain baskets in them, just like I said, for organization. But I decided to keep these black ones in the like little shelves. And off camera, y'all didn't see this, but the black ones that's in the shelves now, they was in here, but I decided to just like put the clothes in here for now, just because it looks better. And like I said, like being that the clothes is in here, it fills it up more, so it makes it, I don't know, a little more sturdy, I guess. But right now I'm about to go through here and see what belongs in the black bins and fill them up. So I guess y'all about to see that.
They cutting for me, yeah, they gon' cut you for me. Laying a cut with them cutters and cut you for free. Say she in love with me, but say you love, I just want your company. I fall in the club for free. I give out daps and them husband the ones for me. Cause that type of shit don't phase a player. This type of shit is what make a hater. When you got it out the mud, yeah, ran it up, yeah, really don't get no fuck, yeah, don't get no fuck when you turn nothing or something, yeah, really hustling, yeah, y'all getting that money, yeah, you getting that money, yeah, rags to riches, 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 the riches.
All right, y'all, so I'm basically done with filling the bins with whatever I have. I'm gonna just show y'all what's in each bin real quick. So in here, as y'all seen, we have socks and hats. And here we have receiving blankets, and on the side right here is bibs. Right here is all the bottles and the pacifiers. It looks junky because I haven't like took any of these out, and the pacifiers are still in their cases because I don't need them now. This is the little health drawer where we got like the safety stuff and all the medicines. In this drawer, I have all the like shower, lotion, body wash, shampoo, whatever it is. And then right here, I didn't open anything because everything was already like in a nice little packaging out the way. So this is like washcloths, towels, like basically all the like bathtub stuff. And this is all the trash that I have to throw out right now from opening whatever it was that was in this package. So basically this little clutter right here is becoming smaller and smaller. So that's basically what I did so far.